Now representing the TNT Tropang 5G is head coach Chot Reyes. With him here, Brandon Canuelas Rosser, Boy Eram, Kelly Williams, Jordan Heading, RR Pugoy, Reynam Batak, and Calvin Optana. One more round of applause please for TNT Tropang 5G. And to welcome everyone to this press conference, we toss the mic over to PBA Commissioner Willie Marshall.
Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Good afternoon. Ito na naman tayo sa press finals, press ko natin. Papasalamat ako sa media na nandyan sa mga photogs na parating naasahan namin na nandito kayo. Yung mga nanonood sa Facebook, sa mga fans, magandang hapon sa inyo. Pasalamat din ako sa dalawang teams na nandito. Coach Leo, Coach Chot, Governor Robert Non, Coach Jolas, team manager ng Talk and Text. Pina-research ko kay Fidel kung pang ilang finals na itong San Miguel at Talk and Text. Sinabi niya pang-8. Pang-8 na pala itong kanilang finals. So, maasahan nyo na maganda to, kaya Red Coil, huwag mo na ako sa kausapin sa ito eh. Tatawagan mo lang si Fidel mamaya. Ha? So, maraming salamat. At nandito kayo. Muli, sa susunod na press con, lalo yung photogs, talagang walang kupas yung mga yan. Magandang hapon sa inyo.
Thank you so much, Tom Willie, for that. You know, the PBA Philippine Cup had a lot of outstanding games. You had many performances that we will remember for a long time. Young teams emerging, young superstars arriving, but we end up where we ended the PBA 49 season with San Miguel Beer going up against TNT. And it's now time to hear from the teams. Let's start off with SMB Governor, Mr. Robert Nons. Robert, good afternoon and welcome to the press conference.
Good afternoon sa inyo lahat. It's nice to be back again dito sa finals press con. Hindi naman kami magsasawa eh. Kung lagi kami nandito, okay lang. The last time SMB met Talk and Text, ang hirap talunin. Pero this time, mas mahirap kasi nagbalikan na yung mga superstars nila eh. And hopefully, SMB was toughened by the series with Ginebra para makasabay sa Talk and Text this time around. And I'm hoping that the team is prepared to defend the crown. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Dog Robert Nor. Now, yes, Dog.
Bago ko makalimutan lahat, napaka-importante nito. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Arena Plus. Kung hindi dahil sa Arena Plus, wala tayong press con. Kaya palakpakan naman natin ang Arena Plus.
Maraming salamat, Tom. Maraming salamat, Arena Plus. Time to send the mic over to TNT Team Manager, Mr. Jojo Lastimosa. Sir?
Good afternoon, guys. The last time I was here sa press con was, I think, 2022 when Coach Chot took a leave of absence, and this is the first time in like 3-4 years now I'm here in front of you. So I'm representing Governor Ricky, who's not here. I'm just looking forward to this series, and we really wanted to come back to the finals and hopefully redeem ourselves because we got beat so bad by San Miguel last time out. So again, I was gonna repeat Coach Chot's words that this is not a revenge series. This is just us trying to get a championship for Jordan and for the guys who hasn't won yet. So we're looking forward to the series. Thank you.
Maraming salamat, Team Manager Jojo Lastimosa. Now we go back to the San Miguel side and hear some words from Head Coach Leo Austria. Good afternoon, Coach Leo.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Unang-una gusto ko magpasalamat sa Panginoon Diyos sa pagtitipong ito at binigyan kami ng pagkakataon na makarating ulit dito sa championship ng Philippine Cup. And binigyan rin kami ng pagkakataon na i-defend yung crown namin last All Filipino Cup. But a lot of people expecting us na we will dominate the game, but for me, it's not that easy because alam niyo naman na after winning a championship, a lot of teams is thinking how to get that championship out from our side, and makikita naman natin na almost all the teams in the PBA is deserving to be in the finals, especially at Talk and Text, and they're playing really well, especially in the last series nila. And last time around, we won the championship not because of a lot of effort sa amin, but maybe because they have a lot of players na hindi nakapaglaro because of some injuries, but that's part of the game, But this time, I'm expecting a very tough opponent because, siyempre, if natalo ka ng championship ganyan, so ang thinking mo is how to get back, But in our part, every game, every championship, we want to win. And maybe this series will be an exciting game. And matutuwa nito ang crowd dahil mapapasaya na naman natin sila. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat.
Thank you so much, Coach Leo Austria, for those words. Now it's time to hear from TNT head coach, Mr. Chot Reyes. Coach?
Yeah, good afternoon. I've always believed that 50% of success in life lies in showing up. Now, when you show up, it doesn't automatically guarantee success. But the reverse is always true. That is, if you do not show up, then you have no chance. So, ganun ang approach namin in the finals. For us, 50% of the work is getting here. And however, that doesn't automatically guarantee success. The 50% still has to be done. And that 50% is represented by the other side, very, very formidable team. Ang San Miguel, we all know that they have dominated the All-Filipino Cup for the last decade practically. So for us, we're just very glad to be here. We have shown up, they have shown up, you all here have shown up, our friends from the press. So I think this bodes well for the successful finals. But sabi nga namin ni Coach Leo nung nag-usap kami kanina, basta wag tayo magsawang dumating dito. And then whoever comes out the winner, then that's really going to depend on which team plays better. But for us, the fact that we're here is a tremendous honor for us, and now it's time for us to buckle down and get the other 50% done. Thank you.
Thank you, Coach Chot. You know, since 2010, TNT has won 4 championships in the Philippine Cup, including the 3-peat. But for San Miguel Beer, that's 7 Philippine Cup championships, including their 5-peat. So you're looking at the 2 most dominant Philippine Cup squads in the past history of the PBA. Now it's time to open the floor. Questions from members of the media. Just please raise your hand and introduce yourself. You can direct any and all questions to anyone here in our VIP table. Who will open our questions from the media? There's a mic out middle. You want me to call someone out or there? Mr. Justin Bacnis will open it.
Ay, sabi po sa lahat. Question lang po, directed for Coach Chot. Coach, we know naman you guys are still missing Kuya Jason and si Pogs medyo doubtful pa for the early part of the series. But sa paparating na finals, how do you like how optimistic are you po of the guard depth that you have right now? Thank you.
It really doesn't matter who is on the roster, who's 100%. It doesn't affect our optimism because I feel that if we are coming into this series with less than 100% belief, then we have no chance. So it starts from there. We have to have the belief that regardless of who's healthy or not, that we are going to come out and play our best game. The problem is, even if we bring out our best game, it's not a guarantee that we will beat a team as strong as San Miguel. But in the end, that's all we can do. All we can do is do our best. And then, if that happens to be enough, then so be it. But if not, then it doesn't bother us too much. It doesn't affect our belief on whether we have Jason and Roger. They're big part of our team. But in terms of our belief, it doesn't bother us too much.
Thank you, Justin.
Coach Shot, gaano ka relief para sa inyo na nandiyan na si Poy tapos healthy si VGR, considering na syempre ang kabantayan nila si Junmar.
Yeah, of course, it's a big factor. Any coach will tell you that if you have your entire arsenal, kompleto yung roster mo, then obviously that's the kind of situation you want to be in. But at the same time, every coach knows that injuries, sickness it's part of the game. It's part of any kind of series. So to answer your question, we're very happy. It plays a big role in our belief. But in the end, the job has to be done on the court. So dun pa rin magkakaalaman.
Hello, Robert Andaya po. Kay Junmar po. Junmar, kamusta lang yung shoulder mo na iniinda nung semis lang? Yun lang po.
Okay naman. Getting better naman. So, kailangan maganda sa finals kasi alam namin na magiging mahirap to na finals para sa amin. Pero yun nga, sana makuha namin yung championship.
Thank you, Junmar. Any more questions from the members of the media? Ako muna. Injury update naman. Roger Pogoy, how are you feeling? Will you be okay to play at some point in the finals?
Yun yung goal namin na makahabol ako sa finals. Pero ngayon, nagpapalakas pa sa hamstring ko. Tapos, yun lang. Yun lang yung update sa akin.
Thank you, RR. Next questions, please.
To Ray ng Bata. Ray, you're coming back now in the finals after winning yung finals MVP last time. So, kumusta ka naman? How motivated are you na nakabalik ka sa makakalaro ka ngayon sa finals?
So far so good, healthy naman and excited na din at the same time kasi yun nga, after na-sit out ng one conference, so nakabalik ulit ako sa finals and then yun nga, dagdag motivation na rin na yung pagkatalo last conference. And ito na, para sa akin personally, gagawin ko lang yung best ko kung anong kulang sa team, yun lang yung gagampanan ko, yung role ko lang din sa team.
Question for Jericho Cruz. Jericho, over here. Ayun nga, natanong si Ray who won the finals MVP not too long ago, and then ikaw naman, recently then, you also won the finals MVP. How excited are you to go up against him on the backcourt dito sa paparating na finals?
Well, di ko naman iniisip yung matchup na yun. Ako, ang iniisip ko yung team namin ang kung paano ko tulungan yung team namin. Yun nga, basketball is not an individual sport, so it's a team sport, so ayun. Ako excited lang din ako maglaro ngayong finals ulit, and hopefully maging ganun ulit yung mangyari sa amin. Yun lang.
Follow up lang kay Jericho. Jericho, tinanong kita after nung Game 6 kung kinakabahan ka na ba kasi pabalik ka ng final. Sabi mo, hindi mo pa nararamdaman nun. And then, the coming days mo na lang mararamdaman. So, ngayon ba, kamusta yung pakiramdam mo na papalapit na?
Yun, kinakabahan na nga ako ngayon. So, di naman ako, di ako sanay sa mga ganito yung magsasalita sa mga harap ng maraming tao Di ba? Ito yung kinakabahan ko So, ayun lang, excited na ako maglaro ngayon. Excited ako na magsimula na itong finals na to and let's see what will happen.
Thank you, Melo. Yes, Sir Jed.
Good afternoon. To Jordan Heading. Jordan, how do you like your chances of winning championship this time after being foiled by San Miguel last conference?
Yeah, I mean, we're just really happy to, have this opportunity again to, have another crack at this thing. And yeah, we're just hoping that, it comes out a little bit differently this time. But yeah, we're excited to get going.
I think one of the battle cries of the team is win one for Jordan. How do you like that idea?
Well, it sounds like a nice idea, winning one, obviously these guys have a lot of championships behind them. And I'd like to join that group. But yeah, I'm just trying to learn from the guys who've done it already. As they take the lead, hopefully we'll take steps in the right direction.
Coach, tama ba yung parang narinig ko sa yung previous interview na isa sa objective is to win a championship for...
Ako, tinatanong mo? O
Yes,
si
yes.
Jordan? Ako?
Parehas siguro.
No, I don't recall saying that, maybe sa iba, but for us, for me personally, that's not, it's not a big part of what we want to achieve. It would be great if we win for everyone, most especially for the organization.
Coach Joe, same question.
Sinabi mo yun eh. Win one for Jordan o sa... well, ganun naman talaga yung hanganin namin. Even before yung sa akin, hindi ako nakapanalo ng championship, I always wanted to win my first one. So it's really exciting for the guys to be able to do that for Jordan. And Tyrus. And Mike.
Coach Joe, andiyan ka na rin lang. Coach, last conference, alam natin medyo nagkaroon ng konting color yung finals after you had some words with Jericho and Chris Ross. No? Magkakaroon ba ng ganung kulay uli this coming finals?
Basta wag lang gawin ni Jericho ulit yan, walang mangyayari. No, okay kami ni Jericho. He played really well. I think he was the reason why the finals MVP siya. So big part of them winning was Jericho's play. So hopefully hindi na